Guys, welcome back to template tutorials. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful Merry Christmas and Happy New Year poster. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all we have to go to the home tab there. So from there we go to the layout here. So we are going to choose blank here to make it blank. Alright, so from there we are going to customize the size of our slide here. So to do that, go to the design tab here. So from there, simply move to the slide size here and click on customer slide size. Alright, so from here, click here, right here, and click on customer slide size. So you then come and click here, right here. So you're going to change the size of that one. That's the weight. So I'll go with 8.5. Alright, so the height is so I'll leave it as 8.5. So you can also customize your own as to the way you want it to be. Alright, so I'll click on OK and click on maximize. Alright, so the next thing that I would like us to do is to change the color of our background here. So to do that, you simply have to right click on it and click on format background. Alright, so from there you can see we have the properties of the background on the right side of our screen right here. Alright, so with that, you see the solid fill is being selected. So leave it as it is and click on the color here. So choose this color right here. So with this color, I would like us to use this color, and I would also like us to use this color. The reason why I'm saying this is because this color is too deep for us to use. I'm talking about darkness, it's too dark. So to do that, to change the darkness of it, you simply have to go back to the color here. Don't change it, just simply go to more colors here. So when you go to more colors, you can see the color that we choose is right here. So we are just going to use this pointer here, click on it and drag it to the top a little. Alright, so I'll come and click on this one also and drag it bottom a little. Alright, so I think this is okay. So you see the new color right here. So you click on OK. Alright, so with this I'm okay. So next, I want us to insert a couple of images inside here. So the images that we have to insert, I already have it in my device. So to do that, to insert it that I mean, you simply have to go to the insert tab right here. So you click on pictures. So a situation whereby you don't have the pictures inside your device and you are going to work offline, online rather, sorry. If you have to work online, that means if you don't have the pictures downloaded inside your device and you want to take the pictures from online, you simply have to go and click on the online pictures. And if you don't, and you have it in your device, click on this device. So to simply take it to where some part of your device location, but mine is being located inside pictures. That's why I'm seeing it right here. Those ones are the ones that we have to insert. So the first one that I would like us to insert is this one right here. So I'll simply double click on it, or just click on it this way and click on insert. Alright, so with this, I'm just going to simply align it at the top right here. Alright, so I'll reduce the size a little. So I'll go back there to the insert tab, go to pictures and this device. So I'll again take this one also and insert. Alright, so I'll reduce the size a little. Alright, so let's go back to the insert tab. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Let me simply reduce the size also and gently align it somewhere around here. Alright, so let's go back to the insert tab also. So choose this one right here. Alright, so I'll gently align it somewhere here. That's at the right side. So this height, I'll increase it a little. And also increase here also a little. So with this one, as it's selected this way, I'll go to shadow and I'll go with the preset. So I'll then come and choose this one right here and reduce the transparency of it to 40, possibly 43, and the distance I'll make it 2. So let's click on this one also, that's for the Christmas, and go with the preset also. So the preset, I'll choose this one right here. So I won't reduce anything. So let me increase the height a little. Alright, so simply go back to the insert tab. I told you already I will have to insert all of these pictures right here. So select with these two. So I'll take this one also, gently rotate it. Alright, so gently align it here. Alright, so I will increase the height a little. So and send it to the back. Alright, so let's go and take the last one. So it is just click and hold this one, drag it to this side. So gently and simply align it somewhere around here. Alright, so let's send this one to the back also as well. So let me increase the height a little. Alright, so the next thing again I'd like us to do is insert a text box. So to do that, go to the insert tab and go with text box right here. Just click on it and come and click here to be inserted. Alright, so the text that I want us to insert in here will be Merry Christmas. I'll start with wishing you. We wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So I'll select all of it and align it to the center. Alright, so let's take the first text. That's we wish you a very. So can we click on the font here? We are going to choose the font as Impact. Alright, so I'll go with Impact. Let's go and select it again. So with the Impact, the size, I'll go with 24. And the color, I'll go with this color right here. Alright, so let's take the Merry Christmas also. With this one, the font, I'm going to go with Phrase Star Script. And the size, I'll go with 40. And make it bold, and the color also I'll make it white. So the last one, that's and Happy New Year. Select that one also and choose the Impact, and the size you can make it 20 or 24. So the color also, let's choose this color right here. Alright, so I'll gently align it somewhere around here. I'm increasing the size a little. Alright, so as you can see, our poster looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching and see you later in my next video.